Yeah, coming this way.
Drop underneath this way you can't see him. He's going to pop back up.
Bradley, Maine, Tommy, you copy?
Don't call him right now.
What the fuck are you going to call him?
Let him know that he's in the car.
He's second.
Okay.
He's second.
He's by the second.
Yeah, he's two.
Caught up to him quite a bit now.
Get him, Tommy. Get him. Get him. Give him some cheer. Come on, Tommy!
You can't catch him.
He'll get him in the rough. That's where he probably got him, man.